Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy Mathematics SSLC NCERT Chapter Triangles Part 4 2 and 4 mark questions with solutions prepared by N. Parmesh. First question: state and prove Pythagoras theorem over R. Prove that in a right triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Answer: data. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. To prove AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Construction: draw BD perpendicular to AC. Proof: in triangle ABC and triangle ADB, angle ABC is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Angle BAD is common. Data and construction: therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB, equiangular triangle. Therefore AB by AD is equal to AC by AB. AA similarity criteria. Cross multiplication: AB into AB, AB square is equal to AC into AD. Call this as equation 1. In triangle ABC and triangle BDC, angle ABC is equal to angle BDC is equal to 90 degree. Angle ACB is common. Reason: data and construction. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC, equiangular triangle. BC divided by DC is equal to AC divided by BC. Cross multiplication: BC square is equal to AC into DC. Call this as equation 2. Reason: AA similarity criteria. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC is equal to, by taking AC as common, AD plus DC. But we know that with the help of figure, AD plus DC is equal to AC. AC into AC is equal to AC square. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Second question: in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC and AD square is equal to BD into CD. Prove that AB square plus AC square is equal to BD plus CD the whole square. Answer: in triangle ABD, by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Call this as equation 1. In triangle ADC, using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Call this as equation 2. Adding equation 1 plus equation 2, AB square plus AC square is equal to 1AD square plus 1AD square is 2AD square plus BD square plus CD square. But we know that they have given AD square is equal to BD into CD. Substitute that value. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2BD CD plus BD square plus CD square. AB square plus AC square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, BD plus CD the whole square. Question number 3. In the figure, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree and CD is perpendicular to AB. Prove that BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. Answer: triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABC. AC by AB is equal to AD by AC. Cross multiplication: AC square is equal to AB into AD. Call this as equation 1. Triangle BCD is similar to triangle BAC. BC divided by BA is equal to BD by BC. Cross multiplication: BC into BC, BC square is equal to BA into BD. Call this as equation 2. Divide equation 2 by equation 1. BC square divided by AC square is equal to BA into BD divided by AB into AD. AB get cancelled is equal to BD by AD. Fourth question: a ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meter from the wall and its top reaches a window 6 meter above the ground. Find the length of the ladder. Answer: let AB be the ladder and CA be the wall with the window at point A. BC is equal to 2.5 centimeter. CA is equal to 6 meter. Applying Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. Substitute the value. 2.5 whole square plus 6 square is equal to 2.5 whole square is 6.25 plus 6 square is 36 is equal to 42.25. AB is equal to root 42.25 is equal to 6.5 meter. Thus, length of the ladder is 6.5 meter. Fifth question, in the figure, if AD is perpendicular to BC, prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. In triangle ADC, applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus CD square, call this as equation 1. In triangle ADB, applying Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, call this as equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square get cancelled, BD square minus CD square. AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. Sixth question, ABC is an isosceles right angle at C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. Answer, ABC is an isosceles triangle. AC is equal to BC. Applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. AC square as it is plus, instead of BC, substitute AC square is equal to AB square. AC square plus AC square is equal to AB square. 2AC square is equal to AB square. Therefore, AB square is equal to 2AC square. Seventh question, in the triangle ABD, C is the point on BD such that BC is to CD is equal to 1:2 and triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, then prove that AD square is equal to 7AC square. Answer, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, that is equal to A. In a triangle ABD, BC is to CD is equal to 1:2. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to small letter A. AE is perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABC, BE is equal to EC is equal to A by 2 and altitude AE is equal to A root 3 by 2. In triangle ADE, angle ADE is equal to 90 degree. Applying Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AE square plus ED square. AD square is equal to AE is nothing but A root 3 by 2 the whole square plus ED is nothing but 2A plus A by 2 the whole square. AD square is equal to root 3 whole square is 3 A square by 2 plus, by taking 2 as an LCM, 2 2s are 4A plus 1A, 5A by 2 the whole square is equal to 3A square by 4 plus 25A square by 4. By taking 4 as an LCM, 3A square plus 25A square is 28A square. 28A square by 4 is 7A square. AC is nothing but A. Substitute that values. AD square is equal to 7 AC square. Eighth question. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stands on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the pole is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Answer, let CD and AB be the poles of height 11 meter and 6 meter. CP is equal to 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 meter. AP is equal to BD is equal to 12 meter. Applying Pythagoras theorem, triangle APC, AP square plus PC square is equal to AC square. 12 square plus 5 square is equal to AC square. AC square is equal to 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25, that is equal to 169. AC is root 169, AC is equal to 13 meter. Ninth question, BL and CM are the medians of the triangle ABC, right angle at A. Prove that 4 of BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square. Answer, from triangle ABC, applying Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, call this as equation 1. In triangle ABL, applying Pythagoras theorem, BL square is equal to AL square plus AB square. BL square is equal to AL is half of AC, AC by 2 the whole square plus AB square. L is the midpoint of AC. BL square is equal to AC square by 4 plus AB square. Throughout multiplied by 4. 4 BL square is equal to AC square plus 4 AB square. Call this as equation 2. In triangle CMA, applying Pythagoras theorem, CM square is equal to AC square plus AM square. M is the midpoint of AB. AM is nothing but AB by 2. Substitute that value. CM square is equal to AC square plus AM is nothing but AB by 2 the whole square. CM square is equal to AC square plus AB square by 4. Throughout multiplied by 4. 4 CM square is equal to 4 AC square plus AB square. Call this as equation 3. Adding equation 2 and equation 3. 4 of BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 AC square plus AB square. Therefore, 4 BL square plus CM square is equal to 5. With the help of equation 1, AC square plus AB square is equal to BC square. Therefore, 4 of BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.